How to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create crew logo in Blox Fruits. So first of all, you have to go to Blox website and log into your account. Click on the create button at the top, which will take you to the Blox Creator Hub. If it does not, try clicking the back button and then select create again, or type in create.blox.com in the address bar. And once you're in the Creator Hub, select Creations from the sidebar, switch to the Development Items tab. Now click on the Upload Asset button, which will open a File Explorer window. Find the image you want to use for your crew logo, select it and click on Open. To design your logo, you can use any image editing tool like Paint, Photopea, or Canva with a recommended resolution of 1024 by 1024. Enter the name in the name box. This could be your crew's name or a description of the image. Once a decal is uploaded, click on the three dots and select Open Asset Details. Copy the link from the address bar. You will need this link for your crew logo. Alternatively, you can also choose an existing decal. Click on Store at the top, then go to Images. Use the search bar to enter the type of image you're looking for. You can also click the button next to Browse Images to open filter options and to find images by specific creators or to apply other filters. Select the desired filters and then click on Search. Once you find the image you want, you can click on the Get Decal button, then copy the link from the address bar by highlighting the text. Now open Blox Fruits and click on the crew icon on the left side, then select the logo link box. Paste the decal link you copied earlier by pressing Ctrl+V and then press on Enter. You know now how to create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.